How to change age in Fortnite. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to update or change your age on the Fortnite game. Now everybody knows that Fortnite game is connected into Epic Games. So all of the account update or all the account adjustments can be done through your Epic Games account. So first is open up Epic Games official site and then make sure to log in into your account. Next thing you want to do is to click on your current IGN or into your username right here, and then go into account. Now in the account tab at your left side, you just have to take and go into parental controls, and then from here, just simply input your PIN code. Now from here, you just simply scroll down and under Epic Games Store and Fab, this is where you can adjust your age. You won't have to be specific here, but if you are currently 18 plus above, then simply choose on unrated and then hit on confirm. And that's it. That is how you change age in Fortnite.